Hello guys, most of you know about master apps, but most of them don't install them. So in today's video, I will bring you about the 5 master apps, so you must install them. So let's go into the video. First app, Google Earth. As you know, most of you know this is Google Earth. So this is the after install, it will look like this. So you can click on 3D. I already clicked it. So you can see whatever places you want to see on the earth. So you can rotate it, you can zoom out, zoom in, whatever you want. So let's see some of the features of this Google Earth. Smash the like. If you want that, you can be located to a stadium. So you can see the 3D view of the stadium. It's very interesting to see that, guys. So make sure to check it out. So you are not only supposed to see this stadium, but you can also see some other. You can see Bradford houses. You can go with Manchester Regional Arena, campus, tennis and football center, or you can go with cycling center, park, college, academies. Lots of things are available in the 3D view, so you can see lots of things in a very easier manner. So make sure to check it out. This app, very useful app. So don't forget. So after you go with it, you can see the Amazon rainforest loading, zooming in. So you can see the Amazon rainforest, which is located in the South America. So you can zoom out or zoom in, whatever you want. Just see. So it's located near the Brazil. You can say that the Brazil. So you can see deep view of this Amazon rainforest. If you want to research something else for educational purpose, this is one of the useful apps to be known. So let's go with the third one. So I'm gonna go. You can see the Mount Everest in the 2D view, but I think you won't be able to see the 3D view in any other apps other than this app. As you can see the Mount Everest, it's clearly, so it's one of the beautiful mountain in the world, highest mountain in the world. You can see how much height it is or how much long it is. You can zoom in to see here. So it's like 3D view. Nepal, it is located in Nepal China border. So can also see in 2D view also. If you click on the download Mount Everest, just click on it, you can see a deep view of this Mount Everest. So Mount Everest, Earth's highest mountain above sea level, located in the Mahalangur Himal subrange of the Himalayas. So you can see the elevation, ascent, prominence, countries, mountain range, or many others also. So it's one of the useful apps for educational purpose, or you can go for simply fun here. So make sure to check it out, the app, very useful app. So let's jump into Wikipedia. So download link in description, make sure to check it out. Wikipedia, as you all know, this features by the name of the app. Wikipedia is a source where you can gain much knowledge about a particular thing. So this app provides you a detailed analysis or details of anything in the world. So let's get started. So let's search something in this app. So let's go with Taj Mahal. This is a beautiful wonders in India. So if you click on Taj Mahal, there are many things coming up on the screen. So it shows a movie, it shows a musician name, Palace Hotel, or Agra Place. So let's click on that. After you click on that, you can see there are many details are available on this Wikipedia. So you can I will read out something about Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, crown of the palace, is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. So you can see there are many features are available. If you click on down right corner, you can click on that 3 dots. So if you click on that, you can see there are many subtopics are available. You can click on that and see whatever you want. So let's go with the second place. So I'm gonna go with England, a beautiful country in Europe, Northwest Europe. So if you click on that, you can see national cricket team, England national football team, rugby team, football manager, Middle Ages. So I'm just gonna see about the country. So if you click on that, you can see England is a country that is a part of United Kingdom. It shares land with Wales to its west, Scotland to its north. So you can see many details are available in this app. So make sure to check it out. Link in description. So if you want more videos like this, comment in the comment box what you want. Smash the like if you like. So click on the down right corner icon again to see what subtopics you want. So let's see sports here. If you go with the sports, they have a very good sporting heritage. They in fact started cricket in the world. They are the only country to start first time cricket in the world. So you can see that many details are available. England football ground, cricket ground, many details are available. Make sure to check it out in this Wikipedia app. So let's go for something other. So I can go with Amazon forest. So you can see Amazon company is also available. Amazon river, Amazon rainforest. I'm going to go with Amazon river here, which is located in South America. Amazon river in South America is the largest river by discharge volume of water in the world and most accepted definition. It is the second longest river in the world of Nigeria. So you can see there are many origins are available, subtopics are many things available. So make sure to check it out. Again, I'm gonna click on that three icon that are located on the down right. So if you click on that, you can see many subtopics are available. If you want to see, you can check it out. So without getting late, let's jump on to the
third app that we're gonna see is a translation tool. This app is interesting because when you are traveling, you cannot understand their language and they cannot understand your language. This app is used to how you can translate their language. Come, how to use it? Come. This is only for educational purpose. The link is in the description. Go and check it. The first you're gonna type hi. Hi to Spanish language. We have to click the send button. Okay. Hola. Hola. How are you? It's the translation of Spanish in English. Okay, the second you're gonna see is Tamil. Tamil. Okay, you can check hello. Okay, you can check hello and click the send button. Okay, it's getting late. Okay, in Tamil, the hello is Vanakkam, Akkural, Gavanathai, Tanpol, Irkum, Viyapidat Chol. The third that we're gonna do is the Swedish language. Okay, click this. Okay, next we're gonna type is the interesting rainforest. We're gonna translate in Swedish language. Click the send button. Okay, it's getting late. Okay, rainforest in Swedish language is Regnskog. Regnskog. This is the caps and this is small this. Okay, the fourth is smash the like button and please share it to your friends. The next language is Portugal. Okay, there is Portuguese. Okay, next we're gonna type thanks, thank you. Okay, it is translated to Portuguese. Okay, click this link. Okay, we click the send button and it's the thank you is translated into Portuguese. Obrigado. Okay. The fifth is location. The fourth we're gonna type, fifth we're gonna type is location and we're gonna translate into Russian language. Okay. Or Russian language. Click the send button. Before that, we're gonna type location and click the send button. Okay, it's add and it's background. I don't know the Russian language, so I cannot explain you. Sorry for Russian fans. The sixth we're gonna type is name and we're gonna translate in Greek. Before that, please smash the like button if you like this video and share it with your friends if you are interested in translation. Come on, let's text it to name. Okay, and we're gonna translate in Greek. Okay, is in Greek and click the send button. Okay, I don't know Greek, but I so that I will not explain you. The next tool is
Hello guys, the fourth app we're gonna see is Oxford Dictionary. So it's one of the useful apps only made for educational you can think, but you can learn English language using this. As you can see in the home screen, there are offline mode, word of the day, which is very pretty good feature of this, as you can learn one word per day for learning English, or you can learn hard words. So today is July 1, so it's showing horrendous, extremely unpleasant, horrifying, or terrible. So it's just a synonym of the meaning. So if you click on previous one, you can see imposing on June 30. So you can see many words are available for a day. So make sure to check the app, link in description. So after you see this app, you can go with searching other things also. As you can see down, you have Oxford Hindi Dictionary also to learn Hindi. If you want this, you can download it. So after you click on search dictionary, you want to see whatever you want. I am going with a simple word called university. I think I have spelled wrongly, university. So that's another one. You can search for it. I think it can take some time. Okay, let's see about Cambridge University, a university which is located at England, founded in 1230. It contains 31 colleges. So as you can see, one of the important feature is you can see many other meanings also, but a Cambridge University is a particular one, so you can't see much meaning here. So after you can open some other also. So I'm gonna go with simple word called place. So can see the suggestor will come like that. So let's search in this suggestor one. Let's go with placement. So you can see noun, a British one. You can also see origin here. If you don't see it, comment in the comment box so that I can see what happens. So after you click on this, you can search for one more meaning here. Let's go with anonymous. So Most of you don't know the meaning of anonymous. Anonymous means not identified by name or unknown person. So you can see now its origin has been arrived. So its origin in late Latin in the 16th century. As you can see, there are adjective two meanings of anonymous are available here. Make sure to check it out. One of the important super interesting apps. So please download it. One of the interesting apps here. So let's go for the last and fifth app. That is a cool app, voice recorder. Hello guys. The fifth app and the last app you're gonna see is Easy Voice Recorder. A simple app for many users. You can download it in description link. So make sure to check it out and comment on what are the apps that you like in this file. For me, personally, I gonna choose Wikipedia and Google Earth. Comment on what's your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and smash the like. If you like the video, share to your friends. So let's see the fifth app. Easy Voice Recorder. One of the coolest app you can know by its name, Easy Voice Recorder. It is mean by you can record your voice whenever you want, whatever you want, with the clarity of voice. So let's check it. You can see the record button. So if you click on that, the mic option, you can record it. If you click on, let's see how it works again. So if you click on it and click on rename to rename the word whatever you want, let's go with welcome SFT. Rename. If you click on it, you can see it has been renamed once. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to SFT. Okay, voice quality was really good. Make sure to check it out. Okay, let me mention some of the uses of this app. So it's useful for educational purpose. You can give a speech about something else on tomorrow or any other day. You don't have a practice. You don't have any other person to speak with. You are only one. What you will do? If you have a phone, you can download this app and see what is your voice quality, what are you missing with, or it is also helpful for YouTubers. Let you record your voice and see how the good apps will cost around only 30 or 50 MB. So you can download these. I am not recommending to download all things compulsory, but you can download whatever you want. My personal recommendation to download Google Earth, which is a very good app for educational purpose, and you can download also Wikipedia because you have to type in Google and search for it in Wikipedia. Please make sure to check it out and smash the like if you like the video, share to your friends, subscribe to our channel and press that bell symbol for many notifications. More tech videos is coming soon. So I dream more, get more technology.